YouTube. I got the package for my dream camera at age 7. Oh, this is so cool. Let me open it up. Just keep it on tape. Oh, so cool. I just hit the button. Huh? It's here. That's smaller than I expected, guys. It's way smaller than I expected, though. Wow. Let's keep that there and let's get it out. Oh, this is just so cool. I really don't want to take it out of the box. Oh, but I have to for you guys. Don't worry, I got a garbage, so it won't be that long. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It's so small, but it's so cool. Let me go throw this in the garbage. Oh, I can just put it right in here. Oh, this is so, my gosh, cool. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Guys. This is so cool. It's smaller than I expected, though. Oh, I'm gonna scramble this up. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, shape shifts. I kind of didn't know it could do that. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I don't even know how to solve it though, which is kind of the problem, but I'm gonna try. This is so cool. All I made is those 2 white spaces. Oh, and now I made this. Okay, get that there. Oh, not correctly aligned. This is way too cool. Cool, I meant. I just said Cole. What's up, Cole? Get it? What's on the thing? Oh my gosh. This is too cool. I literally got it. I'll put the link in the description to go on Amazon.com and I'll tell you how to do it. I'll put it in the link. It's in the link. So, this is fun. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I just literally am going, oh my gosh, I solved it. See? Solved it. This is too cool to pass up ever. Just so you know. Oh my gosh. If you buy this, you have to go on Amazon.com on your computer or your iPad, whatever mobile device. Computer's not a mobile device. I kind of is, but oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is just so cool. I'm sorry this is longer, but oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my gosh, you have to go for spins for kids. You have to scroll down a little bit, and then oh my gosh, it's there. It's $13.99. Oh my gosh, it's fun. I thought there was like a little mini spike at spins it. I thought it would be bigger though, but it doesn't upset me. So that's good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna end this video with a oh my gosh. Okay, so the link in the description is there to show you this. But oh my gosh, is that cool? So if you want this, just check the link, and you can. It's fun, easy. It's kind of hard to solve. I thought it'd be way easier, but I guess it's not. later on when I get to know how to solve that, I'll do a tip on how to solve it. But not right now because I don't know how to solve it. And this is just so hard. And this is just so cool. And it's just so cool. So cool. So cool. I gotta spin that again. I love the spinner part and the Rubik's Cube part. I like spinners and I like Rubik's Cubes. This is a combination. It's a 1 by 3. It's a 1 by 3 by 3. It's so awesome. Turning's great. I think they should put this Rubik's Cube in championships. And yeah. But right here, if you can see those right there, they help you so it's not just a big circle and you don't know if it's solved or not. They just put it so you know it's solved or not. So that's very cool. So let's move on to the next one. There's a 1% chance, and I might. Oh my gosh, this is too cool. I'm not good at spinning this way. I always spin like this. Ow. So yeah, this is a good pocket puzzle, I would say. So if you want to solve something, you have a 1 by 3 by 3. If you just want to spin it, you can do this. Go look online, Amazon.com. They have so cool stuff. I'll tell you in the link below. And yeah. It's made by Mofangi. I don't know if I said the right star. Okay. This is a fun little puzzle. I'll be playing with it after this. I just want to tell you one more time, Amazon is one of the best companies. I would not buy it by Walmart. Get Amazon. I've not been impressed with Walmart in Utah, like by Tazeville, I live in. They have not had good Walmarts. Even the one by the Target one has not. I'm just not impressed with Walmart anymore. So now I go to Target and I searched on Amazon for this. It comes today, and I did it. There's a package, and I got so excited. I was like, oh my gosh, I felt it. And then, oh my gosh, I was so right. Oh my gosh, I need to kiss this. Mwah. But this actually does shapeshift, in case you didn't know that. Oh my gosh, this is too cool. Oh my gosh! This is way too cool. Oh. Alright, whoops, cute off. So yeah, if you want to see my video for my 4x4 and my last dice, because I forgot to show it, go check that out. It's my 4x4 is one of my newest ones, and this is my total newest. If you want to check out Amazon, I'll have it in the link below one more time to show you. And see you later, guys. Pound it, noggin. See ya. Bye. Sign off for now. Pound it, sign off for now. Pound it, noggin. Oh my gosh, my iPad fell down. Sorry, YouTube. Sign off for now. Pound it, noggin. See ya.